Hey everyone, it's me Emily and welcome back to That Cute Kid. Basically, I changed the channel's name. If you're wondering what is this, it is basically this dummy candy pop. I haven't tried it yet, but I opened it because I was like, why not try it for a video, so I wanted to open it. Basically, it's like this rock candy, and then I also got this leash, and I'll also show you guys, my sisters. But this one that I got has like bees on them, so I thought that was really cute. And I'll see if my sister wants to show hers. Okay, so I've got her leash right here, or whatever you want to call it. And she basically got donuts, so I got bees and she got donuts. If I can show you. Basically, she's opened hers as well, but this is basically what it says on it. It basically says rock. It says rock dummy with lanyard, so it's basically a lanyard. She got a donut one, I got a bee one, and basically, yeah, I'm gonna go give it back. Also, if you guys don't know, go follow my Instagram account and my TikTok. My Instagram and TikTok are basically at @Emily_May. My sister's is at Rosie .Hayes on TikTok, and on Instagram it is at RosieAnnabelle2, but without the E and then the J, basically. So yeah, we've also got another account, which just because we want to know what it's like to have a dog, so we like hanging on and we're doing stuff with our teddies. And I got two white teddies. I got one called Spirit, guys, so if you want to go check out theirs. I got Spirit Shepherd, because it's German Shepherd I got, and then basically we got Kiki over here. Let me go show you Kiki. So also, this is Kiki. We've always got these large sizes because they're big and stuff, but this one's basically Kiki._cat, but a K instead of the C. So it's basically Kiki Cat. But, well, I've got the Spirit Shepherd. Basically, yeah. So, let's go on to the video. So basically, let's try it. This lanyard, though. This lanyard, I didn't know if I wanted, like, the donut one, or if I wanted, the dolphin one, or if I wanted the bee one. So basically, this is what it's like. And I'm going to put it in my mouth. It looks so funny. Wow. That is like so sweet. Wow. I don't know what to say to this. It's sweet, but like the place where we got it from is like only sweets are sold there. We went to So Sweet for these, so if you want to get these, basically it's So Sweet. I know where we got them isn't really near us, so I don't know if there's So Sweets in America. But these are basically American treats, I guess. But I went with the lanyard as the bees, so I don't know. Maybe the donuts one was better, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that with a thumbs up, because I'm going to basically, if this gets one more follower, one more subscriber, what am I talking about? I think I farted. Anyway, if I get one more subscriber by tomorrow, I will be, basically, I'll be so happy because then I would reach my goal, 30 subscribers. Thank you so much for 29. You guys are like bringing happiness to myself right now in these times. I'm starting to try and lose weight. I've already done my whole meal plan, but if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, and also subscribe for more content. I will be uploading more when I get to go on Roblox, because I might be able to get Robux soon, and I just feel like if I get Robux, it will save my whole life, because I've never allowed Robux. And yeah, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and see y'all next time. Bye.